Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both the Veloster and your phone so pairing works cleanly. Turn the ignition to ACC or on, then navigate the infotainment to the phone or Bluetooth settings. This wakes the module. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and set it to visible or pairing mode. Once done, choose the car's Bluetooth entry on your phone when it appears. Make sure you stay inside the car and avoid touching other menus so the devices can discover each other without interruption. You now move into the core pairing step, selecting and confirming. Tap the Veloster entry shown on your phone and the infotainment will prompt a PIN or confirmation message. This prevents accidental connections and ensures you pair with the right car. Read the PIN on both displays and accept or enter it exactly. Make sure to grant permission to sync contacts and messages if you want hands-free calling and caller ID. Once accepted on both sides, the devices will create a secure link. Finish by confirming full functionality. Play media and make a quick test call to ensure audio routes through the Veloster system and the microphone works. If something fails, you can resolve most issues quickly. Delete the Veloster profile on your phone and remove the phone entry in the car's Bluetooth list. Then restart both devices and repeat pairing. Make sure both phone OS and car infotainment firmware are reasonably up to date. Outdated software can block features or cause intermittent disconnects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.